Hey guys, it's Destiny Lachey back at it again with another chemical peel video. I'm back at Grand Plastic Surgery getting my third peel of this series. This is the final peel that I'm going to be getting probably for the next year, and the year just started. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, like, and Katie's going to talk to you guys now.
We're going to kick the peel up a notch here. We're going to use a VIP peel that's called VIP Purify with Precision Plus. So it's got all the same ingredients. It's got your retinoic acid, your TCA, your phenol, but it's also got kojic acid, hydroquinone, and a few other really key ingredients that's going to help, especially with hyperpigmentation. It's really good for acne-prone skin and anybody who does have any post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation issues.
So what she's going to do first is cleanse my skin. Just make sure that there's no sunscreen or moisturizer on my skin because we're going to try to dry out the skin as much as possible. Then she's going to take this little wipe that comes in the kit. This has acetone in it and it really dries out the skin so that the VI Peel chemical can penetrate the skin as much as possible and we get a really good peel from it. And then she just puts Vaseline on like the corners of my eyes and on my nose just to protect those corners because they can get really irritating if you don't do that.
So again, I'm going to start my first pass of the peel. Usually feel burning in the first like 15 seconds and then usually it's pretty numb right after that.
The VI Peel to me is very painless. The process itself doesn't sting or burn at all on my face. And I've had TCA peels and those hurt, but these really do not hurt my face at all.
Again, I'm looking for any frosting, making sure we're not going too deep. Going under your nose. I think this smells good.
So what she's doing now is just layering up the peel. She's putting more product on top of more product on top of more product just to use up the product and to make my peel more intense.
So again, we're going to do all the same post stuff. You're going to leave this on for about 4 hours, at least 4 hours. And then the great part about the VI Peels too are that they come with all the instructions on your home care, which again is just as important as your actual peel.
I'm going to be peeling on Christmas.
So the most important part of the VI Peel is really your home care. So really at home, the peel stays on for at least 4 hours. You go home, you cleanse your face at night with the cleanser provided, and you're going to use post-peel towelettes at various intervals to increase the peel process. Now these have very similar ingredients to what I just put on Destiny's face. There's hydroquinone, hydrocortisone, kojic acid, benzoyl peroxide, all the really great things that are going to continue the peel process over the next few days. And then, so you're leaving it on for 4 hours, you're cleansing your face tonight, and then again in the morning, and you're going to make sure that you use your post-peel protectant and your sunscreen. Those are the two most important things to continue to protect your skin and avoid heat. That's the biggest thing. So no vigorous exercises, no hot water or saunas or hot tubs or anything like that. You really want to help the skin stay calm, and you want to avoid any post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that heat can cause. So I'm going to give you all this stuff to take home, and we'll see how it works.
Hey guys, it is 5:14 p.m. This is day one of the chemical peel. I got the peel around 11:30. So I'm just gonna quickly wrap my hair up because I'm not going anywhere else tonight and I do not want my hair to get wet. So since this is the first day of the peel, I'm going to take the dark green towelette and just really scrub that on my face. I did not wash my face. They said washing your face is optional. So I just took the post-peel towelette and scrubbed. So this is what the towelette looks like after I'm done. I think this is like the original solution that they put on my face. So this is still day one. Technically it's day two because it's really late night, early morning the next day. So I'm just gonna wash my face with the cleanser provided and just kind of gently rub my face with this. Honestly, my face feels normal. It feels really smooth. It's just
you know, my typical face. Then I'm going to take the light green towelette and just really scrub that into my skin, just making sure that I'm doing it really aggressively because I want this to peel like crazy. And then per the instructions, I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes and then do the dark green towelette. And I'm doing the same thing, just really scrubbing really intensely so that I get a really, really good peel. I did not wash this off my face per the instructions. I just went to bed with the solution on my face.
It is Saturday, December 22nd. So in the pamphlet, it says day 2, you may apply makeup as normal if desired.
So a lot of you guys ask me, what do you do if you want to get a chemical peel, but then you have to go to work, you have places to go? I'm going to show you. Okay, so first I cleanse my face and then I put on my post-peel protectant because you want to protect the skin, especially if you're going out. And then after you put on your post-peel protectant, you want to protect your skin so that you don't damage it. So put on some sunscreen. I use my clear sunscreen that I always use. Use something that's really high in SPF because you really want to protect the skin. So I just rub that all over my face and then we get into the makeup.
So now I'm just going to go in and apply my makeup. I'm going to use the Dermablend Flawless Creator Foundation. This foundation is so full coverage and there's very little ingredients in this foundation. I just want my skin to look even because my dark spots got darker, I feel like, per usual.
So all I'm going to do is take my sponge and just pat that into the skin. This foundation is really light on the skin and it makes me feel comfortable because the ingredients in this are like little to none, and I just pat that all into my skin just to give me even skin tone. This was around Christmas time, guys, so I wanted to take pictures with my family and stuff, so I didn't want to look all crusty and stuff, so I wanted to put on some type of makeup. So I did use my Fenty contour stick and I contoured my cheeks just to snatch them a little bit. You guys have to remember, like, I love makeup. I don't wear makeup every day, but on this day I wanted to look snatched. Even though I got a chemical peel, I wanted to look snatched. Okay, so I went in with my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows with this Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, just a really quick brow, just to throw on something so that my brows look like something, you know, when I'm taking pictures. And then I'm just taking my hair down, kind of brushing it down and just preparing myself. I just want to show you guys that you can live your life even though you get a chemical peel. You won't peel forever. You won't. And my skin looked totally fine this day.
My face looks pretty like normal right now, and today is day 2. It just feels a little tight around my mouth, but that's really it. And I'm loving my hair. As you can see, I keep playing in it because I just got it done like 2 days ago and I haven't really worn it down in years, so I'm like feeling my hair open. Like right now my face looks completely normal to where you wouldn't be able to even know that I got a chemical peel done. It is 10:14 at night, so I'm just gonna get ready for bed, wrap my hair, and then wash this makeup off my face.
So to take my makeup off, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals facial wipes. These are really, really gentle. I really love these. And I'm just like really wiping my makeup off here. And then I'm going to go in and cleanse my skin with the cleanser just to get off any other dirt. Then I'm going to go in and use the light green towelette per the instructions and really scrub my face. Leilani had to make her cameo, you already know. And then I went in 30 minutes later with my dark green towelette just to scrub my face again.
So I'm just waking up and I look in the mirror and I noticed that I started peeling a little bit. So my lips are really crusty, do not mind that, but it started peeling right here in this area. It is 10:25 and it's Christmas Eve. This is how my face is looking. So it's peeled some more right here and it's peeling a lot right there, and it also started peeling on my forehead area. Nothing else besides those areas have peeled yet, so it's 12:27. So before I take a shower, I'm about to cut some of this dead skin off my face so that all of it doesn't like come out in my shower, which will be really disgusting. I'm just gonna use these little scissors to chop off some of the dead skin. You're not supposed to peel back the skin like I just did a little bit because it could give you like more hyperpigmentation. So I'm just gonna cut it off so that it doesn't look so bad.
So that was intense, right? I know. But this is later in the afternoon, day 4, around 1:30. This is how my face is looking. It's not as intense. It still looks a little peely, but it's not as gross. And for me, the hyperpigmentation is still there. It lifted a little bit, but it's not fully gone yet. It takes about a week for my skin to heal from a chemical peel. So that's when my hyperpigmentation starts to disappear. But this is what my forehead is looking like. It's looking real crazy. And I have to go to Christmas dinner tomorrow.
So I just washed my face, and my face is really, really tight, especially around my mouth right now. I'm gonna take some Aquaphor and just kind of spread it all over my face because I just feel so like tight. And when I put the Aquaphor on, I try to just swipe in the direction that the skin is peeling. Ugh. This just makes my skin feel so much better. You guys have no idea. Oh my god.
Okay, so today is Christmas Day, okay? It's day 5. We had a seafood fest. I enjoyed my time. I spent time with my family. On Christmas, when I woke up, I was super self-conscious about not wearing makeup, yada yada yada. Guys, honestly, no one noticed that I didn't have makeup on. I put some sunscreen and the protectant on my face, and my face looked perfectly okay. You couldn't even tell that I was peeling. I want you guys to know that if you're watching this video and you have acne, or you know someone that's dealing with acne, don't let it control your life. Even if you have like hyperpigmentation, don't let it control your life. Do you have fun, live your life. Don't let your skin control what you do and how you feel. So I just had to say that because I know people can really get down about their skin, because I did at one point. So this is day 6, guys. So I was peeling a little bit. This was after the day after Christmas, I think. Yeah. And I was just peeling a little bit on the sides of my face with the post-peel protectant. Honestly, you wouldn't be able to see that at all. So this is day 7. I am putting on a turmeric mask. I will have the ingredients down in the description box. I really like this. It really helps with hyperpigmentation a lot. And since my skin is super new, I'm just putting this mask on because it's made of all natural ingredients, and it just helps with my hyperpigmentation. So these are the results. This is about 7 days after I was done peeling. I feel like this peel helped a lot with my hyperpigmentation, like a lot more than any other peel has. I can just see results from that huge, large scar that was on my chin. You can definitely see a difference in the after photo. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.